Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 1038, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 1038? What's the symbolism of 1038? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 1038 mean for love? What does 1038 mean for twin flames? What does 1038 for manifestation? How does angel number 1038 affect finances? What does 1038 mean for former relationships? How does 1038 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 1038? What are the weaknesses of angel number 1038? What's the meaning of angel number 1038? Angel number 1038 is a sign of abundance, personal empowerment, and divine support. It combines the energies of 1. New beginnings, 0. Spiritual growth, 3. Creativity and joy, and 8. Abundance and success. This number encourages you to step into your power and trust that prosperity is on the way. It's a message from the universe to stay confident, use your talents, and trust your inner guidance. Your angels are assuring you that the steps you've taken are aligning you with material and spiritual rewards. Keep working with purpose and positivity, and the results will reflect your higher intentions. What's the symbolism of angel number 1038? The symbolism of 1038 reflects balance between spiritual alignment and material success. Number 1 symbolizes initiative, leadership, and fresh starts. 0 represents divine presence and infinite potential. The number 3 adds communication, creativity, and optimism, while 8 symbolizes wealth, power, and achievement. Altogether, 1038 signifies that spiritual guidance and practical efforts are working together to shape your reality. It encourages self-belief, proactive decision-making, and embracing opportunities with confidence. This angel number is symbolic of manifesting abundance through joyful service, inspired action, and a deep trust in divine timing. You're being reminded that your creative energy. What is the angel number 1038's spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 1038 is a message that you are on the right path toward fulfilling your soul's purpose. It's a blend of encouragement, divine protection, and alignment with higher wisdom. The presence of 0 and 3 indicates heightened spiritual communication and the presence of ascended masters guiding your journey. Number 8 brings the concept of karma and rewards for your soul growth. Your angels are encouraging you to deepen your spiritual practices, act with integrity, and use your personal power to serve others. This number signals a phase where spiritual expansion and material blessings go hand in hand. What does angel number 1038 mean for love? In love, angel number 1038 signifies emotional maturity, balance, and the potential for deep, fulfilling relationship. If you're in a relationship, it suggests that shared goals, open communication, and mutual support will strengthen your bond. The number 3 brings joy and emotional connection, while 8 promotes security and loyalty. For singles, 1038 indicates that a meaningful connection is possible when you stay confident and aligned with your values. It reminds you to be open to love, but also to recognize your worth. Your angels are guiding you toward a partnership where love is abundant, supportive, and rooted in authenticity. What does angel number 1038 mean for twin flames? Angel number 1038 holds strong meaning for twin flames, suggesting a phase of union or progress fueled by shared purpose and spiritual maturity. The combination of numbers signals that both individuals are becoming more aligned with their soul mission, allowing for a deeper connection. The 3 and 8 emphasize joy, communication, and balance between the emotional and material. If you're in separation, this number encourages healing through self-empowerment and spiritual trust. If you're together, it marks a time for building a stable, purpose-driven life as a team. 1038 urges both flames to grow individually so they can unite harmoniously. What does angel number 1038 for manifestation? Angel number 1038 is a powerful message that your manifestations are gaining momentum. The combination of creative energy, 3, spiritual flow, 0, action, 1, and material abundance, 8, makes this number highly favorable for manifesting success, wealth, and purposeful opportunities. It urges you to remain positive, align your intentions with your soul's purpose, and trust that the universe is working with you. Visualize your goals clearly, take inspired steps, and stay open to unexpected blessings. This number reminds you that your thoughts shape your reality, and with faith and perseverance, you can manifest both inner and outer abundance. How does angel number 1038 affect finances? Angel number 1038 carries strong energy for financial improvement and abundance. It suggests that your hard work, positive mindset, and faith in divine guidance are aligning to bring material rewards. The influence of number 8 is especially powerful in financial matters, promising prosperity, smart decisions, and career advancement. Number 1 brings leadership and fresh opportunities, while 3 encourages creative problem solving. If you've been facing money worries, 1038 assures that relief is on the horizon. Stay focused, disciplined, and optimistic. Your finances are set to improve, especially if you balance practical action with spiritual trust and wise management of resources. What does angel number 1038 mean for former relationships? Angel number 1038 invites you to view past relationships through the lens of growth, forgiveness, and spiritual evolution. This number suggests that former relationships played a crucial role in your development, offering lessons that strengthened your self-worth and emotional intelligence. The influence of 3 promotes healing and communication, while 8 encourages maturity and closure. You are being guided to release resentment, find peace, and use past experiences to make healthier choices moving forward. Whether or not reconciliation is possible, 1038 reassures you that you are supported in healing emotional wounds and attracting relationships that honor your evolved self. How does angel number 1038 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 1038 encourages purpose-driven work, leadership, and financial reward. It's a sign that your talents, especially those involving creativity, communication, and strategy, are ready to shine. This number supports entrepreneurship, innovation, and confident decision-making. The 1 and 8 combination points to professional ambition and success, while 3 adds a joyful, expressive energy to your work life. If you're considering a career change, 1038 gives the green light to follow your passion. Trust that divine guidance is steering you toward opportunities that align with your higher self. Stay proactive, and your work will bring both purpose and prosperity. What are the strengths of angel number 1038? The strengths of angel number 1038 include creativity, determination, intuition, and the ability to manifest abundance. People influenced by this number are typically confident, spiritually aware, and driven by purpose. They possess strong communication skills, a natural sense of leadership, and the ability to motivate others. Their connection to divine wisdom helps them navigate challenges with clarity and grace. 1038 also brings financial intelligence and a knack for turning ideas into tangible results. These individuals often blend logic with intuition, allowing them to create meaningful success in both their personal and professional lives while uplifting others along the way. What are the weaknesses of angel number 1038? While angel number 1038 offers great potential, its weaknesses can include overambition, workaholism, or a tendency to ignore spiritual well-being in pursuit of material success. Individuals may struggle with perfectionism or placing too much value on external achievement. The strong presence of 8 can lead to control issues or fear of financial instability, while the creative energy of May 3rd cause occasional inconsistency or emotional overwhelm. Balancing spiritual growth with practical action is key. This number reminds you not to neglect inner peace while striving for outer success. True harmony comes from aligning ambition with higher purpose and mindfulness.